Hello, this is STEM Guitar, and this is Professor John Bordeau, and we're going to do swirl dipping of our guitars. So for swirl dipping, we need a 55-gallon trash can, essentially, with a plastic liner. We're going to use tap water to room temperature between 65 and 70 degrees, which we already have set up. And what we're going to do is we're using Magic Marble swirl dipping paint, and you can buy this online. And what you want to do, we're using two colors for this example. The primary color should be more paint for the primary than the secondary. So we're going to put some primary color in, and then our primary color is going to be black, and you're going to pour it maybe about an inch above the water. And we need about a quarter of a bottle in there.
Is that good?
That should be good. And now we're going to put the secondary color in, and you can do 2, 3, or 4 colors. I personally like 2, but it's personal preference. So now we're going to drop in the secondary color, and we can do drops of it, or we can just pour it in the middle, either or. And the ratios determine how much it is. Then we're going to take just a plastic spoon or a fork, and we're going to slowly draw. Now the clock is ticking. We only have 2 minutes to do this whole operation in. So he has to swirl it fairly quickly. All right. And just get some patterns in there. Nothing exotic. We're good. And now we're going to grab our guitar. And we also have the headstock. We're going to do them both at the same time. That gives the same kind of a pattern. So when we're going to dunk straight down, and we're going to constantly move, and we're going to swirl it around back and forth as we go. So keep going down, steady, keep going down, constantly going down. It's going to try to push back up because it's buoyant. And we get it totally submerged, keep going. Now he's going to hold it there, and I'm going to pull the paint away from the headstock and the body here. And hold on one more second here. I'm going to do it again. We're trying to get the paint away so that it doesn't cover it up on the way up. So now, once I get out of the way, go ahead and pull them straight up and let the water drip. And we end up with a finished product swirl dip. You need to hang it and let it harden up for a couple hours. And then after that, we put 2 coats of clear coat polyurethane on it. I prefer satin. And you have a finished product in a couple of minutes.
That looks so good.
All right?
Look at that.
And it's kind of a surprise every time. It's Christmas every time. So this is swirl dipping at Kankakee Community College and STEM Guitar.